Hey everyone, and welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add color swatches to your product page. So if you have a product that does come in multiple colors, like for example if you are selling a pair of headphones, red, blue, orange, then if you want to add different variants, there are two options to do it. So first, let's just head over to products section, and now let's just say these are the pair of headphones. So what you can do is, first thing is you can add a variant, right? So head over to your variant section, add a variant, and you can add in here multiple variants. So maybe it is size currently, but we are going to be selecting it to color. So we do not need to add size, but instead a color. So you can see we can delete this, and we have a color. So say it is going to be red, and add some values, and you can add different values, depends, and click on done. Now once you do add it, you can see we have our image option as well. So upload in here something else, maybe a pair of red headphones I'm going to be uploading. You can just search anything from the internet and upload in here. I'm going to be just uploading this one maybe, but yeah, you got the point. You can, if once you add these variants in the section, you're going to be having color selection option, not exactly swatches but color options. This is the one way, but to add exact color swatches, what you can do is simply install any third-party application from the app store. Head over to your apps, then in here you can see we have search in here for any app. Let's just say swatches, not swatched, searching for swatches just like that. And you can see we have variant option, product option. We can add different swatches. You can see Dodify, swatch color. So you can use this, and what it is going to be doing is it going to be adding this kind of swatches color. And you can see once you do add it, you can select beige, different colors could be added. And this is really handy in terms of UI. And yeah, so I hope this is going to be helping you guys out. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more, and see you in the next video.